boy.
24 left, line of boy, couple 5734.
Compass 5734, RNF Del Rey, wind 250 at 8, runway 24 left, cliff takeoff.
RNF Del Rey, 24 left, cliff takeoff, compass 5734.
Delta 1461 tower, full length, runway 24 left, line of buoy.
Line point full length, 4 left, Delta 1461.
Air Premia 541, leaving my airspace frequency change approved. Incheon Tower, Air Premia 541,
Delta
frequency
5734, contact departure, good day.
Sol approach Air Premia 541, is type YB78X 2 miles north of
American
Incheon,
8547,
2,300 feet.
maintain 2,100, turn left heading 020 vectors for the visual.
Air Premia 541,
2,100 and 120 down the head.
Squawk 8020, just a 20 heading American 805.
Squawk 0725, Air Premia 541.
I know, that's a lot of twos.
41 radar contact, 3 miles northwest of Incheon, 4,500 feet. Altimeter 29.902. Roger, Air Premia 541. Air Premia 541, contact Incheon Center.
American 805, reduce speed to 170.
Good day.
170, American 805.
125.45, Air Premia 541. Incheon Center,
Clear,
Air Premia
Scanner
541,
1854, complete and corrected, expect only 1810, here, keep the speed 3 on the grade.
Okay, 1910, 300 and 1 for
Decimal 9 or 2, continue as planned. Air Premia 541, contact Sol approach on 120.8. Good day.
Going to 120.8, Air Premia 541.